Hi guys, today I'm building this very cool turbofan engine model. It's made almost entirely from metal and comes with a battery pack and a small electric motor, allowing the completed model to actually run. I've already uploaded a quick unboxing video, so if you'd like to see what's included in the box and my first impressions, be sure to check that out after watching this video. Today we're putting everything together and seeing how it performs. Here you can see the contents of the kit. All the tools required for assembly are included, so let's get started. I begin with the base and install the front engine support. Next comes the charging port, which is connected to the control unit. After that, I add the battery, switch and electric motor. Once everything is installed, I do a quick test to make sure the motor is working correctly. Everything looks good, so I can move on to the engine itself. The first step is assembling the fan section. The metal hub is installed first, followed by the individual fan blades. Each blade is a separate part and everything fits together very nicely. The long shaft goes through the center and is secured before I install the black spinner cone. The following steps focus on the internal gear system. These gears connect to the electric motor and transfer power throughout the engine. Lubricant is included in the kit, and this is the point where it needs to be applied to reduce friction and noise during operation. Three gears are installed inside the blue front housing. I'm going to skip most of the screw tightening footage from this point onward. There are quite a lot of screws in this kit, and I think we all know how that part works. Next come the bearings and the drive shaft that will eventually connect to the electric motor located in the base. The following parts make up the 4-stage high-pressure compressor section. Everything fits perfectly. If a part doesn't seem to fit, it's usually because it needs to be flipped around. The black compressor stages are individually numbered, which makes assembly surprisingly straightforward, even though some of the parts look very similar. I flip the assembly over and start installing the dark red components, which represent the combustion chamber section where fuel would be injected in a real turbofan engine. These parts practically drop into place. With that completed, I can move on to the low-pressure turbine section located at the rear of the engine. Everything looks right, so I bring all the assemblies together and temporarily install the transparent cover to check the fit. Next, I connect this section to the blue front housing and fan assembly. At this stage, it's important to align the central shaft correctly and verify that all components rotate as they should. Everything moves freely, so I secure the shaft and install the rear cover. The black support bracket connects the engine to the base. The final step is installing the bottom cover on the base and seeing if everything works. And tada! Such a cool little thing. The kit is made almost entirely from metal, comes in premium packaging, feels very well engineered, and provides a fun and satisfying build experience. If you'd like to check out this engine or any of the other models available from Teching, you'll find a link and my discount code in the description below. Using code MF12 will give you 12% off your order. Let me know in the comments if you've ever built an engine model like this or if it's something you'd like to try in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.